Quick and easy crispy pan-seared salmon with a delicious lemon garlic butter sauce. Serving tonight with mashed potatoes, smothered in a creamy garlic mushroom gravy. Stay tuned. This is the skinless fillet of salmon that I'm using. You certainly can use skin-on salmon if you choose. I'm cutting 4 pieces of the salmon, and the key to this is making them similar size and thickness so they cook evenly. I'm going to save the ends for another meal. I'm patting the salmon pieces dry with a paper towel and seasoning with a pinch of kosher salt and white pepper. It is important to get the surface dry so you can get a nice crispy coating. I have my non-stick pan on medium-high heat, and that's around a 7 on my electric stove. I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and placing in my salmon pieces. If you are using skin-on salmon, you will want to place the salmon skin side down so you will get a nice crispy skin. Giving the other side a pinch of salt and white pepper. Let the salmon cook untouched for 3 to 4 minutes or until a nice crispy crust forms. You will see the bottom edges turning color as they cook. I'm turning my heat down to a medium and giving the salmon a flip. Just check out that crispy coating and beautiful color. Cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes and then removing from the pan and placing on a paper towel to drain. The internal temp of the salmon should be around 130 to 140 degrees. Now let's make the sauce. I left about a tablespoon of oil in the pan. I have my heat on medium and I'm adding in 6 cloves of minced garlic or about 1 tablespoon. This is all about the garlic. Also adding in the zest of 1 lemon. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds or until fragrant, and I can tell you this smells wonderful. This is a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Giving that another good stir and cooking for about a minute or until the sauce slightly reduces. You could also add in a pinch of salt at this point, but with the lemon it really doesn't need additional salt. Now I'm turning off my heat. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of cold butter and stirring until melted. You will see the sauce form and emulsify and come together. Now that the sauce is done, I'm placing my salmon pieces back into the pan and spooning over that yummy lemon garlic butter sauce, making sure each piece is thoroughly coated. Garnishing with some fresh chopped parsley and fresh lemon slices. It's that quick and easy. I wasn't sure what side dish I wanted with the salmon, but I had some mushrooms I needed to use. In my pan on medium heat, I added another couple tablespoons of butter and 2 cloves of minced garlic from making the salmon. I cooked for about 5 minutes or until the mushrooms were slightly toasted. I was going to serve the green beans on the side, but I threw them in with the mushrooms with a little pinch of salt and pepper. Why not? Cooked for another couple minutes until the beans were heated through. Then I added 1 cup of cream, brought to a simmer, and cooked for another couple minutes until thickened. I'm serving the creamy mushroom green bean gravy over mashed potatoes. Don't forget to spoon on that delicious, rich lemon garlic butter sauce over the salmon. That's dinner, and my family was very happy. This is such an elegant, rich meal. With the price of salmon, this will go a long way and serve 4 people. We even have enough left over for another meal. The salmon was nice and flaky and flavorful with that lemon garlic sauce. I hope you give this crispy pan-seared salmon recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!